I grew up at my family's winery and restaurant, Skilligalee. It was the first winery restaurant in the Clare Valley, and they owned and operated that 7 days a week for 32 years. They weren't organic or biodynamic, but they ran the vineyard as sustainably as possible. And we always tried to get local as much as we could through the restaurant there. So that's where I grew up. When Warrick and I bought this hotel, we wanted to use that to try and teach others, hopefully, bring the young chefs in and teach them some of the philosophies that we believe in. And so we decided to concentrate on traceability. Know where the animals have been brought up, know how they've been brought up, know their pathway, and reduce that animal stress as much as possible.
By going about the way we do with lambs grown for us in grass-fed environment and then processed in a humane manner, the lamb just tastes beautiful, and that's what we're finding. The real benefit of local is more nutrition and more flavour. I mean, just can't lose. Local's clearly important, and we want to try to reduce emissions. We want to try to reduce waste in every which way you can. And so by being local, it also enables us to really manage that supply chain. For argument's sake, with green stage chickens, the chickens don't come in plastic bags. We've got our own tubs, so our free range, fresh chickens are delivered in our own tubs. They go straight into the restaurant. We don't have any waste, any plastic. Now, you just can't do that if you're supplying from further away.
It is made possible by our sourcing, not only from our farm, but from our neighbouring farms. If guests get to see this come down, I try and, I encourage people to come into the kitchen. It's the reason I've got an open kitchen. I wanted people to come in and feel the atmosphere, see what's going on. They might see the lambs getting delivered. And you see somebody with a lamb over their shoulder coming in, and they're kind of going, oh, what's that? But we can say, hey, that's been raised for us 10 minutes away. All of that interaction is important, and what we're about here is telling stories and getting people to engage helps us communicate to all of our customers, what is so important about local, about nutrition, about using more of the plant, using more of the animal. That all of those interactions are important for that.